Hi guys, I hope that you liked the video that you just saw. That video was from a mile run event a couple of years ago organized by a friend of mine, and that was one of the old tunes that we did on the GTR, and we were able to get 1,000 horsepower and then it ran 200 miles per hour during that event. Tonight we're gonna test some new tunes done on the Motec M1. This time we were able to get 1,100 plus horsepower, and let's go. Let's try it out and see how it sounds, especially inside the tunnel. That was so loud, and yet I liked it. I like it so much. This second tune makes the car more stable, more easier to drive, and I was able to get 1,100 plus horsepower on the Motec M1. I love this tune, and let's go someplace where we can do some rolling shots. Now some of you might be thinking, what on earth is this guy thinking by sticking all those stickers on his car? The reason why I put the stickers or the livery of the Nissan Nismo GT car is because of the noise. This car has a straight pipe titanium exhaust, and you hear it before you see the car. And if people hear it and see that it is a plain single color street car, they tend to get upset because of the noise. Probably they're thinking, this is a street car, why do you have it so loud? But when I stick on the livery of the Nismo GT car, when people hear it and then they look and they see, oh, race car, they pay no attention because that's what they think that a race car is supposed to sound like. Now what you're seeing right now is the bumper that I got from Overtake. I did some modifications in this bumper. One is the horizontal bar between the grille and the intercooler. I added some holes into it so that more air will get into the engine for additional cooling. Now not only did I modify the front but also the side, because I have the Varis wide fender kit. When you put on a wide fender kit, usually the company includes something to put on your front bumper so that it aligns well with the wide fender. So I didn't like it. As you can see in this picture, you can see the piece that I call shark tooth. And what we did was we just blended it in so that it won't be noticeable. So overtake bumper, then you have the Varis wide body front fender. I have the carbon fiber hood from Top Secret. The doors is also carbon fiber, and the skirt is from Top Secret. Now, this car is almost all panels are carbon fiber. The only thing that's not carbon fiber in this car is the rear fender and the A-pillar and the roof. What you have right now, the engine that we're using is an AMS 4.0 crate engine. I used to have a June engine, except that it didn't last long with me. So I went through with 2 engines before I finally decided on the AMS crate engine. And I have no regrets, and it is quite strong. As you can see, I'm still using it up to now. Turbo kits are from Alpha 12. Final horsepower is about 1,100 plus, as you can see in this dyno chart. Now let's take a look at the interior. This gauge is also from Motec. It's a data logger as well as showing you different gauges. This is configurable, meaning to say you can change the looks as well as what is written there, and it matches well with the Motec M1. Carbon fiber seats from Bride, the Low Max edition. At the back, you can see the Cusco roll cage, and obviously no one can sit there, so I just changed the seats to carbon fiber versions to lighten up the car. Now for the wheels. What I chose to install is the limited edition Volk Racing G25 in matte black. I have 20 by 11 up front and 20 by 12 in the rear. Tires is Pirelli. I have 315s in the front and 335s in the rear. The brakes, I changed to these OEM ceramic brakes, ceramic rotors, including the matching calipers. The rear bumper, including the diffuser, is from Overtake as well. Even the rear trunk with the duckbill. The rear GT wing is from Amuse. Some of you might be thinking, that's it. Your car has nothing else that you can do to it to make it one step higher. But let me tell you, I have a surprise for you. This car is going to go through a major makeover. So if you want to know what my next move is or what I'm going to do next to my GTR, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and hit the bell icon. So what we're doing right now, we're rolling the car up to the transporter, the flatbed transporter. Now we're gonna say goodbye to my GTR as it rolls off to be transformed. Can't wait to see it in a few months from now. Bye!